Alright, so today we're going to be making those vegan burgers. I've got our Impossible meat here. Burgers made from 100% plant-based. And we've got 2 of those. So that's 24 ounces altogether. I'm going to go ahead and grab our bowl. And we have our butter. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that and pour it right into this bowl. Now this is half a stick of butter, already melted. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and start adding our Beyond Meat. Alright, go ahead and add in the first one. Set that to the side. Alright, now that we got both of those in the bowl, as you can see here, we're going to go ahead and mix all this together. Now you want to be sure, whenever you're mixing this together, I like to do mine with a electric mixer, and I'm just using the egg beater ends, because we don't want any of this gumming together and turning into a brick. So we still want this to be kind of light in the center of it. Exactly like this. Now we're going to go ahead and start seasoning this up. So first off, I'm just going to add some black pepper. So we'll actually be making 5 burgers with this. So I'm probably going to do about a tablespoon of black pepper. Going to do about a tablespoon and a half of onion powder. Going to do about the same amount, about a tablespoon and a half of garlic powder. And I'm going to be adding some seasoning salt. You can always use just plain kosher salt. These burgers don't have a whole lot of flavor to them, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the seasoning salt today. And they should turn out pretty well. Give that a quick mix. And we're going to go ahead and set that to the side and get our scale set up. Now I've got our scale set up, and as you can see, I've got some of our non-stick paper here that we're going to be using because we're going to be freezing these later. And we're going to weigh these out to be about 5 ounces each. I'm going to go ahead and weigh the rest of these up, and I'll see you here in just a second. So I've got all of our burgers already weighed up, and I'm just patting them out here. Now, some of these do like to try to fall apart. You just kind of got to work with it. You can always put this into the refrigerator to cool off a little bit, and that'll help them stay together while you pat them out. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish these, and then we're going to go ahead and transfer them over to the deep freeze, and that way they can get nice and cold, and so they'll stay together on our grill. So we just got our burgers from the freezer. We've got our grill all set up. And you can see, it's just made it a little bit more workable. We'll put 2 on this side. Probably put 1 on top. 2 on the other side. We're just avoiding direct heat. So quick update. We've got our burgers here, and they just look beautiful. So I just went ahead and I flipped them. I'm going to flip this one back over. And they're pretty much done at this point. So I'm going to go grab our plate. We're going to pull these off, and then we'll do a taste test. Alright. So We got our vegan burger here. I've got some lettuce, some pickles, tomato, onions. We're going to do a little bit of a taste test. Here we go. Mmm. That's good, guys. Alright, check out this recipe. If you like it, then like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
I tasted you.